attempting to install this D&D Fort Worth, Texas exhaust pipe. I mean, this is pretty. I like it. Fortunately, it doesn't fit. Putting it on an XB12R Firebolt. Should have just went ahead and got a Jardine like I did for my 900. But the 900 and 1200 have the same setup. So yeah, there's my exhaust pipe from the heads, my collector. If I just even slip it on, just to get an idea. All right. Even if I get it up there, there's nowhere. There's way too much gap here. This came with no mounting hardware, no directions. I'm just basically putting it on blind. I can't get this to bolt up to anything. None of the patterns work out. I don't have any kind of steel straps to hang this. So even on the back side, that's the oil drain. I'm not bolting it up to that. That's the switch that constantly moves. And you know where I would bolt this to. There's my case. This doesn't fit. It kind of bottoms out right here. Even when I tap it up and fit it on, the exhaust header, it doesn't want to fit. Alright, so I'm going to send this back. Stop.